Okay, I think we can get started here. I'm a software developer. I've been doing this for about 6 years. Today, I wanted to make a quick video to show off an application that I built out. This is based on some of the more recent large language models that have come out, and an idea spurred out of those. I think it'll be best just to go through this and show the capabilities that are available. So I'm going to go ahead and log in here to my application. And this will take a little bit because the servers are spinning up in the background. This is a dev build. In actual production, this would be obviously running faster. So keep that in mind. A lot of these were built out with some Unity pre-built assets, as well as some custom ones I had gone ahead. So once you log in, you come upon this screen, and there's a few options here. This first one here is going to be personality creation, so you can actually create your own personality that you would talk to. Middle here is personality selection, and then this is just to purchase tokens, which is essentially the currency for communicating with the various AIs that you build out. So I'll go into here, which is the actual personality creation page, and there's a few options here. Again, this is more of an alpha build, beta build stage, but let's just go ahead and I'll create a personality. We'll call her Samantha. She'll be 26. Personality, we can just say, we'll call her angry. She is a software developer, and her overall tone is upset. And then we have a few options here as far as voices go. This will get expanded as we go out, but we can see here, we can just test one of the voices we want.
Hi there. What brings you here today? I'm visiting from out of town.
And this is powered by backend text to voice API available on the public net.
Hi there. What brings you here today? I'm visiting from out of town.
Hi there.
So
What brings you
ones.
here
In my
today?
case, Samantha.
I'm visiting from out of town.
I think we'll go with Rick as the voice for Samantha. Personality creation's 100 tokens, which is about $1 on the website here. So go ahead, that personality's been created, and let me head on over to here. So we can see that we have Donkey Man V2, which was just a sample one I created. Then here's Samantha that we just had gone ahead and created previously. So go ahead and select her. Okay, so we're in the chat now, different day, and we are conversating with the Samantha character we had created. And let's do a little chatting to show this off. Say, I'm doing great, I would love to get to know you.
Well done.
Okay.
Thanks for asking. I'm doing well. It's nice to meet you. I'm Samantha, a software developer. I'm 26 years old and I'm quite confident. I'm also quite empathetic and sensitive. I'm always up for a conversation, so let's chat.
Cool. So we can see, right, it takes the voice we selected, it's taking the text, converting that. Then also, this is an early version, but there is a bit of a lip sync going on based on the type of vowels and mouth sounds it makes. So that's getting mapped via a third-party Unity plugin. So, and we can see here too, we can kind of scroll up the chat, scroll it back down based on wherever we're at in the conversation. But let's continue here. Let's ask, what type of software development do you do? Oh, okay.
I specialize in web development. I'm currently working on a project that involves creating a web application for a client.
Okay. And then there's a few things going on in the background here. There's two main ones. There's a message analysis where we actually analyze the message that gets sent. And then also a few of these adjustments for the bars on the side. So the one on the left hand is the overall, how well is the conversation going. The higher, the better. And then there's a time bar as well, just so there's a slight urgency to the conversation. So we can say, I specialize in API development and cloud computing. We should get to know each other more.
Thanks for sharing that. I'm also a software developer and I specialize in web development. It sounds like we have a lot in common. I'd love to get to know you more. What do you think?
And then, let's see. We can also say something like, I don't think this is going to work out. You don't seem to be my type.
I understand. I'm sorry that I'm not the right fit for you. However, I'm confident that I can still be a great asset to the team.
Okay, that's surprising. She thinks we're on a team together. We're not. And we're about to run out of time here. So this one will be over. She should still reply, but...
Thanks for letting...
So let's restart this here. Okay, so we got the intro message, and let's see here. Say I'm doing well. I'm just here for a good time. What do you like to do for fun?
I'm doing great. I'm a software developer, so I'm always looking for new ways to challenge myself. I like to stay active and explore new places. What about you?
I like to develop and cook. I could cook for you if we got to know each other better.
Well done.
Okay, good. So we can see there that particular message we
That
sent.
sounds great. I'm always looking for new recipes to try out. I'm a software developer myself,
Okay,
so
yeah,
I'm
we know
sure we
that.
could have some interesting conversations about our work. What kind of software do you develop?
But we can see, right, the message I sent here was received well. Our progress bar on the left-hand side there went up. And then if I were to say something quite cruel, would like, I think you are a very inept person. Maybe try harder next time.
Try again.
Thanks for your feedback. I appreciate your opinion, but I'm confident in my abilities and I'm sure I can do better next time.
And then if it goes to a certain point where you upset the AI enough, oh, clearly she's not happy here. She's giving us a bit of a forward-leaning pose here that would imply she's quite upset. Hands on the hips and everything. But if it were to continue that way, it would get worse. Good message sentiment. It's gonna increase your time talking to the person. I have plans to further flesh this out. With kind of moving around a 3D environment, as well as character customization and more prompts. So this particular prompt that is we're working through is an introduce yourself type of scenario. So kind of there's going to be this story progression within the various characters that get developed. And then let's just go ahead and reload this page here. So we're back in the login. We'll log in here. Like I said before, we have the character creation.
Hi there. What brings you here today? I'm visiting from out of town.
Which is about $1 each to create. And then as well, any of the tokens you want to go buy are available through here. This will open up a Stripe checkout, which will then link to the account you created. So you can see here links to Stripe, and then that'll time out as well. And you can go through and pick out whichever AI you want to talk to. And the nice thing about the AIs is that if you don't want to create one, there's going to be preset AIs that you can talk to. And any AIs that get created by other users, you'll be able to see here as well. So you can always try out what else people have decided to create and talk to. Outside of that, that's the base of the application right now. So we have personality creation. We have the actual selection of the personalities we create, as well as the purchase of tokens to be able to support this project. And again, very low cost. I think the actual chatting is one message is 1 token, which is 1 cent, roughly. And then once we go ahead and walk into here, we have that main page. Currently, we only have 1 character model. We'll work to get more.
Hello there.
Refined.
It's nice to meet you.
Oh, this is Donkey
How are you doing today?
Too. So we have the different message and everything, in different voice being sent out. So if you'd like to give this a try, it is available online at lonelydiscordboy.com. Please go ahead and check it out. It is pretty cheap to use. And then additionally too, if you leave a message in the comments, with your username, I'll go ahead and give you about 500 free tokens to mess around with and create personalities, etc., as well as chat. I'll be continuing to provide further updates on this as we go along. This is really kind of the base version of the game. Have quite a few more plans going forward for this, different environments, different characters, as well as some more interesting features that are planned for later down the roadmap. Again, thanks for checking this out and watching. Again, if you'd like to support, go ahead and play this, purchase some tokens, or message me in the comments if you'd want to do some testing for me and try this out yourselves. Again, thanks for watching.